Hello, how's it going? Look, today we're going to make some beautiful chicken spring rolls. Everyone loves these, don't they? Really simple to make. Let's get on with it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got 400 grams of ground or minced chicken. I've got also half a cup of onion, 1 cup of white cabbage, half a cup of carrots, little bit of green onion, some garlic, little bit of fish sauce and some oyster sauce. Let's get moving. Oh, by the way, I'm going to be using pre-brought wrappers for this. They're really convenient, they're cheap and just really easy to do. So in my pan I've got some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil, but please go ahead and change the oil that suits you. We're on an above medium heat. Let's get moving. Let's start off by dropping in about a tablespoon of garlic there, chopped garlic. If you want you could put ginger, but I prefer just garlic in this one. The onion, and you can see everything's cut very, very small. Everything's really small so it goes nicely into the wrapper. Get our carrots in. Now I've chopped my carrots, but if you want you could grate them. You can grate them in as well, which they cook nicely as well. But yeah, I've just chopped mine really small. Then goes in the ground chicken. Now of course I'm doing chicken today. You could be doing pork if you wanted. Let's get some salt in, not too much because we're going to be adding fish sauce as well later. And of course some black pepper. And for me, I'm also going to add in a little bit of chili flakes or a little bit of cayenne pepper, optional of course. Now what we're going to do is on this above medium heat, we're going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes and I'll be stirring pretty often. So that's come together beautifully. Next up, we're going to add in our cabbage, and again, white cabbage, which I've cut really, really tiny. Little bit of green onion in there, scallions or spring onions, whatever you call them. A teaspoon or so of fish sauce. Now, fish sauce is very, very strong, so be very, very careful with it. And then about a tablespoon of oyster sauce. In that goes. And very simply, we're going to go for about another 3 to 4 minutes and then our filling is done. So then what we're going to do is go for the fold. So I'm going to show you this from a few different angles. There's many ways of doing this, but this is the way I'm doing it today. So I've got these sheets as you can see, and I've put in a little line there. Not too much, don't stuff them too much. They're difficult to fold otherwise. And you can see I've got that kind of white liquid there. That's flour and water mixed, and that's going to be our kind of little glue that we're going to use to to do it. But anyway, here you go. Look, fold them in there, fold it over there, and then you need to kind of get it as tight as you can, roll it in. Really easy. Get some of our little glue stuff. Beautiful. Look, I'll show you this a few more times and then you'll get the hang of it. So you can use any amount of oil. You can kind of shallow fry these or deep fry them. I mean, you can see my spring rolls there. I'm going to go for a kind of in between. Like I've got maybe 2 or 3 centimeters of oil. And again, I'm using sunflower oil. Again, if you want, change that to an oil that suits you. Now, above medium heat, we want the oil hot, but we don't want it raging hot. I mean, everything inside is cooked, but we don't want to burn the wrappers now. So we're going to drop them in. And don't crowd the pan, otherwise they stick together. And we're going to just cook them. You can see there, it's just bubbling nicely there. You know, hot, but not crazy. And then put the fold face down. and that will immediately seal the whole thing. We're going to cook these now for about 2 to 3 minutes only, and I'll be tossing them around golden brown. You know what we're looking for. They're absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed that. You keep safe, you keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. And if you'd like what you've seen here, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment and subscribe. It really does help the channel out. Thanks.